In this tutorial, you will learn how to create Twitter account. So first open Twitter app. Then click on Create Account. Here is 3 box. Enter your name in first box. Then enter any email address which you want to create account. After that, enter your date of birth. OK. And then click on Next. Then he says that we sent you a code to Gmail. So my code has arrived. Enter it below to verify. Next. You will need a password. Make sure it's 8 characters or more. Then click on Sign Up. Pick a profile picture. Have a favorite selfie. Upload it now. Here is 2 options. First, you can take photos, and second, choose existing photo. I select second option. After selecting photo, then apply this. If you not select any photos, so you can skip this page. Next. What should we call you? Here, enter any username. If your favorite username not available, so you can click on here. That says see more. Here's some related usernames available, so you can select any one of these. After that, click on Next. Allow Twitter send you notification. Continue this. Allow Twitter to access your contacts. Choose one of these. I select Don't Allow. Skip this. After that, here is some accounts. Follow any one of these, because when you follow someone, you'll see their posts in your timeline. You'll also get more relevant recommendations. After following one of these, then click on Next. Account successfully created. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tech content. Thank you for watching.